Hi there, my name is Joey Denson and I am the Client Development Manager at RFMS. And I want to welcome you to this week's RFMS Tip of the Week. Today we are going to look at how we can customize the format of your profit and loss statement. With this ability, we can provide each department with the details they need in order to make sound business decisions as it relates to sales, marketing, operations, etc. So now let's see how we can use this feature to better provide insight to each of our department heads. So we're going to start this process by going into the accounting module, followed by File, General Ledger, Utilities, Customize P&L Print. As you can see, I've created a couple for an example. I have one customized P&L for my marketing department, another one for my sales department, but I'm missing one for operations. So that's the one we're going to create now. So I'll go to the plus sign and we'll call it Operations P&L. And if you want to add a description, you can. Once we've created the name of that custom P&L, now we're going to go in and decide on what accounts do we want to display more in detail for the operations department. So we're going to click on this notepad with the pencil, and it's going to bring up all of our chart of accounts, organized from sales all the way through tax expense. So again, I'm wanting to provide operations with the detail necessary so that they can gauge what our monthly expenses are as they pertain to operations. But the other accounts, such as sales, expenses, miscellaneous expenses, miscellaneous income, they don't need to see any of this. Okay, so we're going to summarize those totals. So the first thing I want to do is summarize sales. So I'm going to create a group name in the body of my sales income called total sales. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to add each one of those accounts that are part of that sales total. And I'm going to repeat the same process by adding total cost of sales, and then add all of the accounts that belong to that group. Then I will be getting into my operational expenses. These are the ones that I'm wanting the operations department head to be able to analyze more in detail. So I'm going to skip the expense accounts and come down to the income and create a total miscellaneous income, and then proceed down this list until I see those income accounts and begin adding those. And the same holds true for my miscellaneous expense. And then finally, taxes. So I have every account on my income statement provided as totals into each of these respective folders. Again, the only section of the P&L that I want to display the details is in the expense side of the P&L. So now that we've created this custom P&L, where do I actually get to see how it prints out? And so to see that, you're going to go to File, General Ledger, General Ledger Functions, Statement of Income, specify the month and year that you're wanting to print the P&L by, and before printing, choose from your custom print configurations. And in this case, we're going to choose the one that we just created. And as you can see, we now have a total sales figure, total cost of sales, but we've provided with the individual breakdown with each of the accounts considered part of our operational expenses. So that department head can now gauge what percentage of sales each one of these expenses represent and try to lower those over a period of time. And then just to complete the customization, I have total miscellaneous income, expenses, and taxes. Thank you for joining me today. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to RFMS's YouTube channel so that you never miss out on any of our future tips and tricks. I look forward to having you in next week's Tip of the Week. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.